You can put that in there before you put the rest of this Lucas in it,
Yeah.
I guess. Why? It's coming out.
Plenty. It's just what's sitting on the
Oh,
edge.
okay.
I want to make sure it has plenty of oil on it.
Another one?
I bought like 4. I had one. I had a couple. It's only $1.25 a can down there. 10 cans at fuck. How much easier?
What the fuck is that noise I hear out there?
It's actually that truck.
I'm going to get a piece of wire to check it. And they won't put too much grease in front of it, you know?
It'd be too thick.
All you need for this.
About half of it all in there.
Well, I tell you what, no, it doesn't hurt this full. You can put straight lips in. It'll work. No, that's actually what that shit's good for. We just but you just, I mean, if you got the other shit's cheaper. Well, I think Mustang cheaper.
No.
What are you looking for?
Wire, I had a little roll of wire up here.
Oh, I thought you was gonna go get your little, the wire, the checker that we have in the front, up there in the old change bay. What?
The other end, hopefully.
What, can you see it?
I ain't got any on it yet.
Hmm.
Whatever. There it is. Barely.
You pretty much got right at half a quart in there. You already get the whole thing in here? By God, yeah, you did, didn't you?
That's just good enough. It'll go in there pretty fast.
Yeah. Yeah, after you cut the top off of it, where you can travel quicker. Oh, lovely. You gotta love Lucas. Stringy son. I wonder how hard it is at the factory for these people to not get dirty that make this crap. Or bottle it at least. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Still nothing?
Still down, I don't know.
Well, it's taken over 2 quarts so far, so Dad's going to get some more right now, and we're going to keep trying to put some in here. And this is part 4 of the axle seal replacement on this 96 F150. It's taken so long only because my phone can only record 5 minutes at a time.
There.
2.5, I guess.